and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could convert or save your Excel file into PDF. To do that, open your Excel file, make sure that you add a marker or make sure that everything is selected, and we will click to add borders, all borders, so that it's visible, and then we can go ahead and select save. However, if you don't want to have these borders, you can discard this step. Next, we'll click on File, we'll click Save As, and here we will select Location Desktop, and here we will select from Save As Type. We'll scroll down until PDF. Here on this settings, we have Optimize for Standard Publishing and Online Printing or Minimum Size Publishing Online. You can click on Options for additional options. And also you can select or deselect Open File after publishing. You can add author name, tags, and title, and you can even rename it if you want. Once you have edited everything, we'll just click Save, and our file will be converted or saved as a PDF. Now we're just waiting for it to open. And here we go. Here we have our file, which has been converted or saved as PDF. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.